Good morning, day 32 from the Camino de Santiago.
So this morning we're headed out from the little town of Barbadelo. We're going to try to get as far as we can today, not really sure where we're going to stop at this point.
So today we're actually going to cross the 100-kilometer mark. That means 100 kilometers left until Santiago. Yay. All right guys, let's get going. So normally we like to let you just sit back and relax and watch the scenery and the trail as it goes by. But guess what? Breaking news. We are at the 100-kilometer mark, signifying that we are 100 kilometers away from Santiago.
Yay! 100.
So when you start at St. John, this is a big deal. Kind of stoked, kind of pumped.
Means we've walked like 700 kilometers already, so.
Yep, so let's keep it going.
Right.